Custom tools can be used to import data from your ERP into your custom properties. So from the custom tools properties, I am able to search data directly inside my ERP. So here I have a list of value that correspond to the exact same list of value inside Navision, which I'm using as my ERP system. So in custom tools, you will also be able to make some search, similarly as the one that you're able to do inside Navision. So for example, here we can search for an item, and then you can link the properties from your ERP into your SOLIDWORKS documents. So we can also connect, for example, to an Excel document, so we can connect to pretty much any kind of external data source. So here I have that Excel document where I'm retrieving information. So the items can also be linked as I just did before with the one from Navision. You can also use custom tools to export your bill of material or create new item inside your ERP. So now I am exporting the bill of material for that conveyor to Navision. So now the bill of material has been exported. So if we move to Navision and now refresh, we can see that the 3 bill of material were automatically added. So this export link is fully customizable, so based on your needs, we can export like any kind of data from SOLIDWORKS into your ERP. So it can be used, for example, to export your bill of material and also to create new items directly from SOLIDWORKS into your ERP. For example, here during the export, all the items that did not exist in my ERP were automatically created.